If your Kia Sportage just clicks when you turn the key, you are likely dealing with a simple power delivery issue. Statistics show that 80% of these clicking failures are actually just low battery voltage, not a broken starter. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to isolate the problem. Start by checking for loose connections and measuring your battery voltage before assuming the worst. These are the three most common culprits behind that frustrating clicking sound. If your battery and cables check out, then you might be looking at a faulty starter solenoid or a bad ground. Simple cleaning can often save you a trip to the shop, but internal starter failures usually require professional help. Here is the typical cost breakdown, showing that most repairs are far cheaper than a full starter replacement. For advanced troubleshooting, perform a voltage drop test or try swapping your starter relay. Make sure you have these three basic tools ready before you start working under the hood. Safety first, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you start working on any electrical components. If you follow these steps, you will likely find the culprit quickly. Thanks for watching and good luck with the repair.